In the realm of business software, tools often get categorized based on their primary function. When you hear Wrike, the immediate association for most people, especially project management professionals, is robust project and work management. However, in today's interconnected business world, the lines between software categories can sometimes blur. This leads to a common and important question for businesses evaluating their technology stack. Is Wrike a CRM system? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Wrike is not a dedicated customer relationship management (CRM) system in the traditional sense, but it does possess significant capabilities that can support and enhance client-facing aspects of your work. It's crucial to understand this distinction, as a dedicated CRM and Wrike serve different primary purposes, even if they share some overlapping functionalities. What is a CRM system? Traditional definition. A traditional CRM system is designed specifically to manage all aspects of a company's interactions with customers and potential customers. Its core focus is on sales pipeline management, tracking leads, opportunities, sales activities, and forecasting revenue. Contact management, storing detailed customer information, communication history, and preferences. Customer service and support, managing inquiries, support tickets, and service level agreements. Marketing automation, running campaigns, tracking engagement, and nurturing leads. Relationship building, fostering long-term customer loyalty and driving repeat business. Tools like Salesforce, HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM, or Microsoft Dynamics 365 are prime examples of dedicated CRM systems. They are built from the ground up to support the sales, marketing, and customer service departments. Wrike's primary focus, project and work management. Wrike, on the other hand, is a highly versatile work management and project management platform. The strengths lie in helping teams plan and execute projects, breaking down work into tasks, setting deadlines, and assigning responsibilities. Collaborate effectively, facilitating communication, file sharing, and feedback within teams. Track progress, monitoring project status, identifying bottlenecks, and reporting on performance. Manage resources, allocating team members, tracking workloads, and forecasting capacity. Automate workflows, streamlining repetitive processes to improve efficiency. Wrike excels at managing the doing of the work, the actual delivery of projects, campaigns, or operational tasks, where Wrike overlaps with CRM functionality. While not a full-fledged CRM, Wrike offers features that are particularly useful for professional service firms, agencies, and teams that have a significant client-facing component in their project work. This is where the confusion often arises, and where Wrike can genuinely act as a powerful complement to a CRM, or even a simplified substitute for very basic client management needs. Here's how Wrike can support CRM-like activities. Client/account management within projects. Dedicated client spaces. You can create specific folders or projects within Wrike for each client or account. This allows you to centralize all work, communications, and files related to that client. Contact information. While not as sophisticated as a CRM's contact record, you can store key client contact details, notes, and preferences within Wrike tasks, custom fields, or attached documents. Client communication. Wrike's collaboration features, comments, mentions, proofing tools allow for direct communication with clients on specific tasks or deliverables, keeping all feedback and approvals tied to the relevant work item. Client portals. Wrike offers the ability to create client-facing portals or shared spaces with controlled permissions. This allows clients to view project progress, submit requests, provide feedback, and access specific documents without seeing internal team discussions or sensitive information. This is a significant feature for professional service businesses. Lead and opportunity tracking basic. Sales pipeline boards. Using custom workflows and boards, you can create a simple sales pipeline in Wrike to track leads from initial inquiry through various stages, e.g., new lead, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won/lost. Each task or project can represent a lead or opportunity. Request forms. Wrike's customizable request forms can be used to standardize the intake of new leads or project requests from clients or sales teams, ensuring all necessary information is captured upfront. Reporting. You can build dashboards and reports in Wrike to visualize the status of your sales opportunities within the project pipeline, offering a basic overview of potential new work. Project-driven client engagement. Onboarding workflows. Once a deal is closed in a CRM, Wrike can take over with automated project templates for client onboarding, ensuring a consistent and efficient start to every new client relationship. Delivery and service tracking. For service delivery, Wrike is excellent for managing the actual work being performed for the client, tracking time, resources, and deliverables. This ensures projects are delivered on time and within budget, directly impacting client satisfaction. Feedback and approvals. Wrike's proofing and approval tools are invaluable for managing client feedback on creative assets, documents, or other deliverables, ensuring a smooth review cycle. When you might still need a dedicated CRM. Despite Wrike's strong client management features for project-centric workflows, you'll likely need a dedicated CRM if your business primarily focuses on complex sales processes. If you have a large sales team, intricate sales funnels, need advanced lead scoring, or sophisticated sales forecasting. Mass marketing campaigns. If you run email marketing campaigns, manage multiple landing pages, or require lead nurturing automation at scale. Extensive customer support. If you have a high volume of support tickets, require knowledge-based management, live chat, or omni-channel support. Deep customer analytics. For in-depth analysis of customer behavior, lifetime value, churn prediction, or complex customer segmentation for marketing.